Okay, we have here a pretty wordy problem. Let's read the entire first sentence to start with. The net profit for the sales of a product is equal to the total revenue from the sales of that product minus the total cost for the sales of that product. So they have equal to and minus here, so you can tell what they're doing with that sentence is telling you to set up an equation. So take it piece by piece, starting with the net profit for the sales of a product is equal to. So right there you can go ahead and say P profit is equal to total revenue from the sales of that product. We'll call that R minus the total cost for the sale of that product. So that means the cost of making it, the cost of the salespeople, all that, and we'll just call that cost C. And then all of the next sentences here give you how to plug in for all those variables. So we'll start with a particular model of calculator sells for $98. So that's the revenue per calculator. So that's $98. And that's minus the cost for making and selling n of these calculators is equal to 35n plus $120,000. So if you want to think about what they're telling you there, they're saying each calculator costs $35 to produce in materials and labor, etc. And then there's a one-time cost of $120,000. Maybe that's tooling to make the calculator, something like that. So you can write that out. Cost 35n plus $120,000. And you can see that this revenue, going back for a second, the revenue of $98, that's obviously per calculator. They don't say that explicitly, but you can put an N on that 98. And what they're looking for in the problem, which of the following equations expresses the net profit in dollars P for making and selling any of these calculators, and that's what our equation is already set up for, P. So all you have to do is simplify that equation. So P is equal to, you have 98N minus 35N is 63N. And then carry your minus sign through, minus $120,000. So that means that your profit is 63N minus 120,000, which is answer A. Hope that helped.